Okay, so I'm gonna do a little car blog. This is it's nothing fancy, just a little car blog and my keys. Kind of unlocked. And yeah. Okay, so my steering wheel is kind of a basic. It's just a black leather steering wheel cover. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to my scents. I have 2 cranberry scents. This is from Target, this is from Bath and Body Works, and again they're both cranberry. My music area right here, I just have hand sanitizer, cherry blossom, and I have Joyful from Bath and Body Works as well. Here I have another scent. Guys, I don't know if this is a Cancer thing, but I feel like Cancer women love scents and candles and stuff that smells good. So yeah, that's why I have so many. And I just have these little wipes just to wipe down my car. I have change, not that much. I have water. And here it's kind of messy. I have my little fanny pack from Pink, just in case I want to go to the gym. Oh, and whatever just fell. Okay, so now I have these 2 phone cases that I keep just in case mine breaks. Have another perfume, Sugar Plum Swirl, Bath and Body Works, of course. They have like the best perfume. Then I have Pink from Pink, of course. I have 2 brushes over there. I'm gonna put this stuff back. I hate when my car is dirty, guys, so sorry about that. Okay, and in the back I have just some Nikes that I keep. I have Michael Kors hat, and then I have some more slides. I'm also gonna show you guys what I keep in my makeup bag that I keep in my car. Okay, so I have my foundation that I keep in here. I also have a brush because, I mean, of course, you need a brush. I also have some of this that I keep. It's so good, guys. So good. I also have another one just in case that one runs out. You can never be too short. And I also have lotion just to keep my face hydrated. And yeah, guys, that's all I have in my car. Nothing too much, but just enough. If you guys want me to make more videos, please like, subscribe, and comment. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to at least 100 subscribers. So yes, please make my wish come true. Thank you guys so much. See you later.